Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to draw and define the rails beam of the steel structure, our steel structure. If we go to this picture we can show here we want to draw this beams which call rails beams, and we want to draw the top beams of our steel structure. So we want to draw the rails here and the top beams and the two sides. Okay, so we return now to the robot. Okay, first of all we go to the XY or ZY here. We want first of all to define a new axis here to help us to draw this these rails. So now we go to axis definition Z and we put here 2 meter and we press it. Now we press apply, so we can show here this is the new axis elevation. Here we had an additional support, we didn't need this support, we can delete it, also this. Okay, now we return to the YZ. For this rails beam, the section of this rails beam is an angle section like this. Okay, so we want to define L-shape section, so we return here to sections, new section, angle section. We want to put, so we choose any section, and the calculation the robot choose, and the calculation, analysis and design the robot choose the best section. So now we choose any section and we press add. Okay, so now we go to bars, here, and we draw from here to here. Now before replicate we go to the 3D and we want to show this section. It is here. So we must we can show here that the angle of this section is and the exterior. We want to rotate this section to put the angle to the interior. So we select this, we go to geometry, to here to gamma. Okay, and we put here 90 and we press enter. We can show now that we have rotated this section exactly. Also we want to release this section because here we didn't have a moment, so we must select this section and go to edit, geometry, release. We put pinned. Okay, press apply. Now we want to replicate it. We choose this section and we go to edit, move and copy. We want 5 each 2 meter. First of all, replicate from here to here. Yes, exactly. Close. Then we select this and we go to edit, move and copy. We want 15 from here to here. Close. We delete this. We can show in this 3D. Yes, exactly. We want so now to select all this. We can select them like this. Okay. we can show that we have selected without the top beams. We didn't want to select these top beams now, and we go to edit, move and copy one from here to here. Exactly. Let's check the direction. We press close. We want to rotate the direction of the rails. Okay, we go to front, we go to gamma, we put it 0. Yes. Now we go to front. We want to replicate the top beams here. Edit, move and copy from here to here. Yes. Also, for the top beams here, we select them, we press Ctrl. The section, it's not L or angle section, we must put I section. For example, S section or W, we put I section because beams. So we press apply. Yes, exactly. So now we want to put a group for this beams, top beams here. We go to groups, new group, rename top beams. We delete the nodes. Also for the rails beams, new group, we delete the nodes. We can show here now. So we have drawn the rails and the top beams in our steel structure. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.